Hello, everybody. My name is Kevin Kotchak, and I'm the founder CEO of ChemicalQDevice. Today is September 30th, 2022 for the startup pitch. The ChemicalQDevice mission statement is to improve applied neuroimaging techniques utilizing quantum technologies for enhanced images and prediction in neuroradiology to enhance existing artificial intelligence, MRI, PET, and or CT results for Alzheimer's disease. With over $3.2 billion in quantum technology investments in 2021 and an NSF 2023 practical quantum computer forecast and healthcare world data volume growth at 36% CAGR in 2025, quantum technologies market opportunity in neuro technologies is optimistic. The product focuses on developing state-of-the-art algorithms combined with quantum sensors and quantum computing for improved prediction and interpretation, targeting weaknesses in applied/AI neuroimaging. The business model consists of income generated via subscription, license, or other related mechanisms. Competition will likely be experienced primarily with existing applied AI neuroimaging medical services that may begin to incorporate quantum technologies late 2022 or 2023. A key ChemicalQDevice milestone is the use of existing brain information with quantum computing as a service and a ChemicalQDevice algorithm to achieve less time for patient analysis. Future plans include exponential quantum speed-up algorithms with quantum sensoring and quantum computing for improved understanding of human cognition. The ask is $10 million to establish core neuroscience collaborations with best quality brain data sets. References are available in the comments below. Have a productive rest of your day.